Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. So, what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World, and also don't forget to click like, comment, and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. PiNetwork gains traction as U.S. businesses begin accepting Pi payments. PiNetwork is making significant strides in the cryptocurrency landscape as businesses across the United States, particularly in Florida, begin accepting PiCoin as a legitimate means of payment. This development marks a crucial milestone in the evolution of Pi, reinforcing its practical utility in real-world economic activities and accelerating its integration into mainstream commerce. PiCoin enters the real estate market. One of the most groundbreaking developments in Pi's journey toward mainstream adoption comes from Zito Realty LLC, a Florida-based real estate company that has officially announced its acceptance of PiCoin for property transactions. This makes Pi the second cryptocurrency, following Bitcoin, to be recognized for real estate transactions in the United States. James J. Zito, an American film producer, actor, and the director of Zito Realty LLC, has been a strong advocate for the adoption of digital currencies in the real estate sector. In a public statement, he emphasized the significance of this move, stating, "We have decided to announce that Zito Realty LLC now accepts Pi as a payment method for real estate transactions. The future of digital currency is here, and we believe in embracing innovation to offer more options to buyers and sellers alike." This announcement signals a growing acceptance of Pi as a viable financial asset, and could pave the way for wider adoption in the property sector, where blockchain-based transactions are becoming increasingly relevant due to their transparency, security, and efficiency. Pi gains ground in the automotive industry. Beyond the real estate sector, PiCoin is also gaining traction in the automotive industry. Cube Motor, a car dealership based in Florida, has begun accepting PiCoin as payment for vehicle purchases. This move places Cube Motor among the pioneers integrating cryptocurrency into their business model, demonstrating confidence in the long-term viability of Pi as a medium of exchange. Notably, Cube Motor has been listed on the Map of Pi, an online directory that identifies businesses worldwide that support Pi payments. This inclusion reflects a broader trend of businesses acknowledging the potential of Pi as a digital currency and integrating it into their operational frameworks. As more businesses recognize Pi as a legitimate payment method, its use case is expected to expand beyond niche industries into mainstream sectors, further solidifying its position in the digital economy. Following these announcements, PiCoin has witnessed a remarkable surge in its market value. Recent data indicates that the price of Pi has increased by over 100%, reaching approximately $3 per coin. This spike reflects growing confidence in the asset's potential, fueled by its increasing real-world applications and expanding user base. Market analysts suggest that the adoption of Pi in high-value transactions, such as real estate and automotive sales, could play a crucial role in influencing its future valuation. Historically, cryptocurrencies that have achieved widespread acceptance in commercial activities have seen significant price appreciation due to increased demand and investor confidence. The acceptance of PiCoin by businesses in the United States, particularly in Florida, marks a significant step toward its integration into the global financial system. This development not only enhances Pi's credibility, but also raises important questions about the future trajectory of digital currencies in everyday transactions. As Pi continues to gain recognition, its journey remains closely watched by industry experts and the wider crypto community. While its current valuation and adoption rates are promising, the long-term success of Pi will depend on continued technological advancements, regulatory clarity, and sustained community support. With momentum building, PiNetwork appears poised to make further inroads into mainstream finance. The question now remains, how high can PiCoin's value climb in the coming months? Investors, enthusiasts, and market observers will undoubtedly be monitoring its progress with great interest.